Just left the gym. Got a nice workout in. I was like, man, I gotta turn on the camera because like these windies is like superior. It's like you on a roller coaster. I feel so good. Like I just started back in the gym. Like after some months, I gotta get my body back how I was like when y'all first seen me in the video with 50 when I was trying to wheelie the SSR. I had to burn that joint. Oh, man, it's beach body time. It's that summer body time. And plus, I gotta get ready to race MX. You feel me? I'm trying to race MX in a couple. Once I get my physique right, I'm gonna be right up Bud's Creek trying, you know what I'm saying, trying to win a championship or something. Trying to win the Stanley Cup with Bud's Creek. Oh, that's what I gotta do. I think I gotta stop to the store too while I got you guys with me, you know what I'm saying? I gotta go to the store, get a couple of workout essentials, you know what I mean? Because I ran out. The only reason I ain't really post, like I wasn't really consistent on the wheelie practice lately, is because like the first couple of days back into the gym, man, my body was just so sore. I ain't even want to, you know, try to do any wheelies. But yeah, man, we in the prime of the windies right now. This is the meat of the windies right here, the meat. Too bad it's just a lot of traffic on the road right now, because like early on my way to the gym, man, I burnt this thing up. Like there was no cars in front of me and nothing. Like, yeah. Yo, I think, man, I'm gonna have to get an exhaust now. My bike is screaming, but it's screaming under the covers, you know what I'm saying? Susie's screaming under the covers. I'm gonna have to take the covers off of her face, like, and let her breathe, you know what I'm saying, with the exhaust in a second. I'm glad I was paying attention. Dang, I got stuck in neutral. God dang. Oh yeah. It just feels like I'm on a roller coaster. These windies remind me of the Moto vlogger Max Risk, when he be flying through the canyon, he be flying down the canyon and stuff, the little mountain roads. But it just sucks that it's not clear. Damn, I should have recorded earlier when I went to the gym. Man, because I was really flying through here, bro. Today felt so nice, man. I had to just throw the t-shirt on and put some sunscreen on, because like I'd have been burning up in the Jersey right now. Well, not burning up, but ain't nothing better than a breeze with the t-shirt on, you know what I mean? Had to fly up there. Little DR got some power. Little Suzuki got some power. There's a little golf course over there. out there. I know he hot out there with them khakis on. It's too hot for all that. Oh yeah, the road clear. Now the only thing, even though the road clear, like these type of roads I seen on YouTube where the dares be coming out of nowhere and tackling motorcyclists and stuff. That's my only fear though. Imagine you just back road bitman like I am right now, and a dare just come out of nowhere and like his antler gets stuck in your helmet or something. Like that's gonna be crazy. Yeah, look at that turn right there. That was, yeah. I can't wait till, yo, after like 10 times of practicing these windy turns, bro, I'm gonna be nice. I was working out. I was by the window and somebody pulled up in a CRF 250L. I was like, bro, because you don't really see a lot of people with dual sports. When I was leaving the gym, I was setting up my GoPro, you know. I was setting up my GoPro, hooking the, you know, my mic up and stuff, getting ready to ride out, getting ready for this moto vlog, and a dude walked past me. He was like, "Yeah, bro, I got XR 650." No, actually, he was like, "I got a Honda 650, bro." I was like, "Damn, for real?" And he was like, "Yeah, the L." I was like, "Bro," I said, "What? The XR 650?" He was like, "Yeah, the street legal one." I was like, "Bro," but yeah, man, I can't believe that, boy. That's confirmation right there. I can't believe he pulled up and said he had a 650L, like XR 650L. Like that's one of the bikes that I was thinking about getting after, you know, I put my time in with Suzy. You know what I'm saying? Sit back, just watch Suzuki sell show. Oh, speed camera. Not gonna catch me today. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just left GNC, man. Got my multivitamins, Mega Men Sport Pack multivitamins. I tried that out before, and they work super nice, man. They work super nice. Hitting the gym without no recovery plan is torture. Like, they never see the bikes. Like, that's crazy. I tried to rev up. That's why I need the damn exhaust. God damn.